Hi everyone, today in this video I am show you how to change the background of your pics and images. Just easy, not difficult. Go on Play Store and install Teleport app. I just opened this app because I installed before in the device. Open the Teleport app. Just go to the gallery and open the pics which you want to change the background here. This is a pics. I want to change the background of this pic. Just select this picture, click on the tick. This is process going to upload your picture on teleport. This is offline app, not online, so don't worry about this. Here the option of background, click on background, and here lots of background templates. It's so very hot template of background. You choose according to your choice. That background, choose which one you like and click on arrow for download. Here this picture save to your gallery. Change background and a lot of background here that you want to take. Here saved, a lot of options. Change this background. So here other functions, change your hair color. If you want to change your color of the hairs, just click on this and change the color of the hairs which you like. Here this is a beautiful color of the hairs, so choose this. And also we make flags 2 3 and 2 flags. Here you download this if you like this. Then we also background blur by this app, and also add custom background. If you want to add your own background, just click on gallery and choose the picture which you want to add. For example, I add this pic for background. Click on this. You see your own background is added to this pic. Also here a function to change the skin color. If your skin color is not good, change according to this. Here are skin colors are available, so change this and download this picture. This picture is saved in our gallery. I show you where the picture. Open the file manager and pics. Here a teleport folder is created in your phone. When you install this app, you see this background change here, color change, pics for different colors is like beautiful. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe channel for more videos.